Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. So today guys, I know I've been gone for a minute, but today I'm going to come to you with this video in which I'm going to revamp this wig. As you can see, it's a frontal wig and it was glued down. It wasn't a sewed wig. It wasn't a wig that was sewn or anything. It was glued down. Even the frontal was glued down, so there is no form of thread. There was no use of needle and thread on this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and revamp it, and yeah, please go ahead, watch and learn. As you can see, this wig looks like it will not come back to life, but let's see what happens. So first I'm going to go ahead and pull the tracks off the cap, because if I go ahead and condition this wig to revamp it, the glue is gonna come loose. So I'm just gonna go ahead from now and take the tracks off and then go ahead, condition the hair and all that good stuff. I know you're probably thinking like, girl, you missed a whole step. Well, guess what? I didn't, because I wouldn't have these flawless, smooth bundles. What happened is I lost some footage. I don't know where to find them. So that's why it jumped from me demolishing the wig to these smooth, soft looking bundles. Juicy. So as you can see, they're all detangled, and look at this frontal. It has a lot of glue, a lot. It's sleeping in glue. So I'm going to let these sit in the conditioner, not overnight, because I don't have as much time. The person needs this wig tomorrow, so I'm just gonna, the day after, so I'm just gonna let it sit in the conditioner for a couple minutes. With me letting the bundles sit, look at the glue just falling off the frontal, and I also had some little touches to it. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and wash this out, and then you'll see the final results. And of course, a key step in detangling here, you have to work your way up. So you're going to start from the ends and then work your way up to the roots, because you don't want to damage the hair. No matter what kind of hair, it could be your natural hair, perm hair, your bundles, anything. That's a key step. As you can see now, this is a handmade wig using needle and thread, and the frontal is now nice and clean. So yeah, and those stitches are on point. Okay. So I won't show you how I made the wig, because I already have videos of that. So I'm just going to show you the finished product. And here you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and also share. Leave all your comments. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye.